Ammo crates only. Let me explain the challenge that I have in store for us today. Today we are going to be doing the whatever ammo you get out of an ammo crate. That's the gun that you have to use. Those are the guns that you have to use for the entire game. Yeah, so basically the ammo that I get out of ammo crates is the guns that I have to use for the entire game. I'm not really excited for this challenge because I feel like it's gonna be bad. But anyways, let's just jump in. Okay, apparently there's a new location on the map. Butter Barn has changed. I'm guessing. Wait, Butter Barn has changed? No, not Butter Barn. Okay, there's somebody landing here with us. I'm gonna have to find an ammo crate very soon. Ah! Your ammo crate. Shotgun him! We don't talk about that attempt because there's like 10 people landing there. What the heck? No way, a llama! What? Bro, what? I just found a llama. Alright, let's see what type of ammo we get from this ammo crate. Alright, ammo crate, you are the one. Give me shotgun and medium. Sniper and medium. Honestly, that's not bad, but alright, that's medium. I can take that. That's also medium. Bro, I'm actually getting really lucky right here. Nope, definitely did not take the llama. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my gosh, bro. Alright. Ammo crate. No ammo crate. Bro, there's a okay, ammo crate. What do you have for us? Oh my gosh, SMG only. Give me an SMG. Yes! I love this game right now. I think Fortnite I actually think Fortnite likes me for a change. Let's go! Alright, do you got an SMG for me too? Yes, you do! Oh my gosh, wait, am I actually liked by Fortnite? Oh, there's a person right there. First kill. Hit him. Oh my gosh, he's cracked. Where did he go? Nope. Let's go! Bro, I have the full SMG loadout. Oh, there's fighting over there. Should I third party? Should I third party or should I not? No. Should I third party or should I not? He hit me. He's low. Cracked. Dead. Other guy? No, maybe he's just dead. Let's go. Second kill. Ah! Got him. May I please have an SMG? Apparently not.
Hello there.
Oh my god! I low-key thought he was aimbotting. See, this is why I don't do challenges like this! A full-on sweat just absolutely destroyed me, bro. Uh-oh. Alright guys, we already know I am a total bot and I literally cannot do any single challenge that I put in my head. This challenge is really hard. Try it out for yourselves. You guys are gonna hate it. I'm lucky if I get a gun off spawn. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace!